Righto, so I've showed you my side. I'm going to switch you over to the woman's side.
Alright, I just wanted to show you a couple of handy little things that we've got. First one, because we've got the black cupboards, these are really great. So it's like a fibre and takes all the dust off, works really well. Love it.
But she's wrecked it at the moment because she got it wet.
I don't know if it's wrecked. I might have to buy a new one. I don't know. Anyway, moistures, little packs that you can put in your van if you're storing it, so you're not getting any like mould build up or anything like that. Haven't actually used them yet, but we thought it's good to have on hand.
It was recommended to us too.
Yeah, yeah. If you're doing a lot of creek stuff and walking over rocks, these are fantastic. Little
and cheap.
Shoes and cheap, yep. I can't remember where we got them. Some sports
I think BCF.
Stores. Yeah, I'm not sure. I've showed you the fusion lock that we've got in the shower. I've showed you before. I'll just turn the light on. With these. And these soaps, which I was going to just show you, are really nice.
Yeah, they are actually.
If you're looking for something a bit different. And also, Gibbo found these. These are little speakers for what, $10?
Waterproof speakers,
yeah.
$10 at Kmart.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Brilliant. Mozzies. God, we can never find a good thing to get rid of the mozzies.
And who do they always eat?
You, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
These are a good alternative. And it's sandalwood. And we actually just put them in this little container. And it does its job. But we've come across this. Bit of controversy on, you know, what people say. You know, a bit poisonous, I guess. But, oh my God, when you're smothered in mozzies, they've worked a treat. Every time we've...
That's our experience, yep.
And you just get your little refills, and I can't remember how much they are, but...
They're not cheap.
No.
That's the only problem with it.
Yeah.
They're not cheap. You only use one every... You'll use one every time you use it, yeah.
But yeah, no, we can't falter them. We think they're great.
And no fuss.
Yeah, yeah. So, moving on. This is a great little item, and I'm trying to... I think
hang on.
Yeah.
This is where all the action happens.
Anyway, Save and Browse, I think this little unit's from.
Yeah, I think it might have been.
You can get them anymore, but you just push that in, flick that out, turn it. Here's your broom, and it like just gets into all the nooks and crannies really well.
Good little unit, isn't it?
It's a good little unit.
Use it as a hand. When you put it down, you use it as a hand
Just
banister.
Banister.
There's your banister.
The shovel.
Which it folds away in as well.
Because I just sweep it out the door.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, well, that's a good point. Why would you?
And a little mop. So basically, fill that up with your water or your cleaning fluids, whatnot. You connect that to it, got the back there, and then you've just got this the trigger handle there just to pump the water through to the pad, which swivels around. And again, it's a good shape to get into all those little tight spots. And that's it from me, except for up in the cupboards, these containers, which I think we just got like from Cheapest Chips or something, they work a treat. And I stand my plates up. I don't know what other people do, but I find that works best for us. And that's it.
That's it? You sure?
Yeah, I think so. But if we get any other handy little knickknacks, we'll show you, and it's good to share information. So that's all.
I'll do the easier one first for a couple. Get the feel of it.
Yeah, it's about an inch off the ground.
Is that all?
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh.
One more.
One more. The back wheel didn't even come up that time.
This is the linear park trail that's behind the Big 4 Caravan Park at Nuriootpa. Look out, birdie.
Nice job. Hello. Hello. Oh, that's amazing. Well, did you enjoy that, my little Anya?
It's a good ride, actually. Yeah, both rides are good. The one on the railway track and the linear park. Yeah, both good rides.
Yeah, no, I enjoyed it.
Linear park's a little bit more fun.
It's more fun, but the track one, being able to take you straight out to Anguston, that was brilliant. I loved it. Just the end result of that one's good.
Yeah.
Nice ride too, but no, more fun through the parks and that.
Yeah, it was good. Loved it.
I challenged Andrea to a game of chess, but I think she's just sick of being beat all the time, so I doubt she'll accept. Okay, so this is from King's. That just hooked. Oh yeah, that's right. That just hooks on there. This is the best cookie I've ever come across. We just made up a little grate to sit on there, so you can sit a kettle on there, so you don't get any pressure on that piece. That there. Chuck that on there. Bang. Now with that, we can put a roast in it. What have we done? We've had small roasts. We've had ribs, shanks.
Any meats it cooks up. Oh, meats, veg, everything.
Yeah, it cooks everything really good. Absolutely love it. Probably would have to be the best cooker we've ever had, wouldn't it? I'll whack that away. Right, just flick it up. And it's even just handy. Having it like that, you don't even have to have it right out here. So, I'm thinking about getting another one and have it on this side as well. So just in here, we've just got all our solar stuff, just odds and ends, a little bit of work gear. When we take this onto a job or whatever, bit of clean and stuff. Okay, and then just under this one over here, we just got, which goes all the way back, we've actually got tools and all the snap straps and all the things you really don't use regularly. We've got in there, and that's pretty much it.
Well, this is unique. Haven't seen one of these before. There's all your pews. Well, if you like going to church, it's in a picturesque setting.
We've come into Williamstown and just checking out the Whispering Wall.
Yeah, let's have a look.
And well, as you can see here, there's plenty of room to bring a caravan in. It's all nice and easy. I'm just going to go on the other side now, and we should be able to talk to one another. And it's supposed to sound like you're just standing next to each other, yet we're 100 metres away. It's amazing. Let's test it out. So Anya's back over there, and I'm going to be over here. All right, we'll give this a crack. See how it goes. Can... How are you, darling? How good's that? It's like you're right next to me.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't believe it. Tell me a story.
And they went travelling. Where might we go next?
I reckon we'll head off somewhere for a coffee. What do you think? Oh, we might be heading to Deep Creek. We don't know, depending on the weather and everything.
Do some free camping. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, some free camping at Deep Creek. Yeah, for sure. All right, darling, I'm coming back. Coffee time!
Let's go!
Yeah, it's a real deep blue, babe, isn't it?
See how windy it is? Approximately 400 workers lived in camp tents or rough huts at the height of the construction, and the work took about 3 years to complete.
Oh, wow. Anya, told you it was windy. Look at this.